My name is Alla Dolnikov. I'm working as a principal hospital scientist at Sydney Children's Hospital, and I'm leading the research group at Children's Cancer Institute. We're working on the novel immunotherapy for cancer, and this new technology that we are developing, we're using patients' own immune cells that are called T lymphocytes, and we reprogram them to recognize cancer cells and kill these cells in the body of the patient. Currently, we are using patients' own immune cells to manufacture this therapy. However, it is not that always we can make it from the patient's own blood, because patients who were heavily pretreated with chemotherapy, their immune cells are functionally exhausted, and therefore the viable alternative for this patient is using donor immune cells. And that is the goal of our project, is to develop new therapy using donor immune cells to reprogram them to recognize cancer cells of patients. Unfortunately, it is that sometimes these donor immune cells can recognize patients' recipient tissues as alien, and they induce cytotoxicity in the form of so-called graft versus host disease. So our technology is aimed to make this donor-derived therapy safe. We're using so-called RNA interference to modify donor immune cells to make them safe and reprogram to recognize cancer cells. So, the cure funding is needed to support this project, and we hope that in 2 years' time we'll be able to start clinical trial testing this new therapy for cancer.